Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process for creating your own professional logo for free. Yes, for free. You don't need to be a professional to be able to design your own logo. You can do it by yourself even if you have no experience whatsoever. And at the end of this video, I assure you that you are going to design your own logo by yourself and have a proud I did it moment. So stay tuned. Welcome back guys to my channel. So let's jump right into the tutorial. In today's video, we will be using Canva to design our free logo. So as you can see, we already logged on to the Canva homepage. So if you do not have an account, quickly sign up. It's completely free, even though there is a pro version, but that is not our focus for today. So once you've signed in, right here in the search tab, you type in logo. Yeah, so as you can see, there are different tons of logo templates which you can use. But for the purpose of this video, we will be creating one from scratch. So let's click on the blank template and it takes us right into the editor. Good. So first of all, I'm going to be choosing a background for our logo. This, by the left-hand side, is the work tools that we're going to be using to create our logo. So now you watch as I create this logo, and if possible, you can log in and follow me as I do this. So now, if you do not have your brand colors, that's okay. You can play along with colors. So you click on the background color here, and you can just go here and play along with colors and see whatever you like, whatever appeals to you. But for the purpose of this video, I already have the code of my color. To find or get the code of your brand color, you just highlight your mouse on top of the color and the code you see right there, the hashtag E64141, that is the code of this particular shade of pink. So you can just copy down the color, and anytime you need this color, you just type it in and it will bring out this exact same color. So right here, I'm going to type in the hex code for my color. It's 2D2F47. Yeah, that's it. Good. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be designing a logo for a jewelry company. So right now, I want to insert the name of the company. So we move over to the text field right here. And there are three subheadings of text: heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3, also known as the body text. So right here, I'll click on this, and then you type in the name of your company or your brand. For me, it's Sapphire. And you can drag it to where you want it to be. Please be mindful of the purple lines that show when you're dragging. It shows you and tells you when the item is at the center of the page. So right now, this is at the center of the page, and I would like to increase the font. You can increase the font by either dragging the corners of the text field or text box, or you can go right here and click on the plus sign. So whenever you're okay and satisfied with the fonts. Okay, so right now, um, I want to change the font of this text. So you click over here, and I would be using the old Trafford. I'm going to type it in. Old standard, I mean. Yeah, and now my font has changed. So what we're going to do next is to add in an element that represents our brand or our logo. Like if you're fashion or into fashion, you want to put in an element that has anything to do with dresses, clothing, bags, shoes, etc. If you are into food, you want to create an element or add in an element that represents food, burger, milkshake, things like that. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be adding in um jewelry. Let me just type in jewelry, or let me see, diamond. Hmm, okay, let's use this. Let's use this. Okay, and I'll go ahead to change the color of this. I have a hex code for this, so I'll just type in my color. Hmm, I like this color. No, I want to change the color of this. So, okay, that's okay for me. And next I want to add in another element. So I'll type in glitter, and then you can just search through until you find the one that you like. You can always change the words of your search. For now, glitter is not bringing out what I need, so I'm going to type in sparkle. Okay, I like this. So yeah, this works for me. So I want to highlight this text. So you go back to elements and you click on lines and shapes. Here it brings out different elements and different shapes for you. I'm going to choose the square and drag it and resize it to a rectangle. As you can see, to drag, you click on this corner where this is, you drag back and forth or up and down. And then to move the elements, you just drag it on top of the text and you drag it down to fit into, yeah. So for me, that's okay. And I want to go ahead and change the text field of the, sorry, I want to change the color of the text. So go right here and click on this. Yep. So you can see our design and our logo is already coming to life and I'm loving it. So right now I want to also add a text, a body text. This body text, you can put in what your company represents. So for me right now, I'm going to type in jewelry and drag it down below the name. So now, as you can see, it's too narrow. So we want to add some letter spacing, some spacing within the letter. So you click on the text field, you go right up here where you see spacing, click on it, and we have letter spacing and we have line spacing. So you click on letter spacing and then you increase it until you're satisfied with what you want. Okay, I think this is okay for me. Yeah, that's beautiful. So I'll go ahead and change the color of the font. And here, should we add this gold? Yep, that's perfect. So now we have a brand new logo. So I love it. I love it. And that's it. We just created a logo in less than 5 minutes. On my end anyway. I don't know how long the video is going to take, but for me, this was done in less than 5 minutes. So there's another thing I want to teach you. There are some instances maybe where you want to move items and then you see that it's moving out of the element. So if you want this text and this box to move together when you drag it, okay, let me show you. You click on the text, you hold on your shift key, click on Control A. It copies both the text and the text box. Then you go over here and then you click on Group. Okay, if it doesn't come out, that means both items have not been copied together. Or you can drag it away from the box. Click on this, hold down your Shift key, then click on the element. Yeah, now they are highlighted together. And then you can click on Group. And then you see that the items will move together, they won't be separated. But I'm going to undo this. To undo whatever you've done, whether you made a mistake or you don't like what you did, you click on the undo button and it takes you back to the original state. So there it is for me. Right now, we're going to save our logo. So up here, you type in a name that you can remember it by. For me, I will just call it Sapphire logo. Yep. To save, you click on the share button. Go to downloads and you can see that the format is already suggested for you, which is the pink format. You click on the pink format, but there are other formats. Like we have the PDF standard, the PDF print, which is perfect for if you want to print out your logo in a big size. And then the MP3, MP4, sorry, this is for video. So for now, we'll just click on pink and we'll download. So our logo has been saved. That's it. That's the end of our video for today. I want you to challenge yourself, log onto Canva, open that website, and then you create something. I am not a designer. I've never been a designer. I just learned this all by myself, and I thought I'll share also with someone out there that would want to push themselves to do something new. So thank you for watching my video. Do have a great day.